Welcome to Katie Trader channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel. I open buy, because there are green and red candles replying to each other and I'm sure the last green candle will appear in the direction upwards. Because logically, guys, candles can't be opposite to each other, definitely after that there is an up or down market trend. Now this includes candles saturated with each other. So most likely after this a green candle will appear to accompany the last green candle. We are waiting for the time to finish, guys. Profit, guys. Now, in this market, I open buy again, because the market is going strong and a small red candle has appeared as a correction, because it has touched resistance and after this I am sure the candle will get stronger. So I open buy. Profit, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.